All right, here we go. It's time to cut the door. Oh, makes me nervous. Never done this type before, but you know, let's give it a shot. Let's have some fun. Let's tear some stuff apart. Probably in the way, aren't I? I didn't cut that one very straight. Didn't too bad on the welding on the back there. Now I got my template, so almost felt like I warped it a bit right here. So we need to bend that back a little bit. I don't think I did that bad. All right, let's clean that up a bit. piece. I don't have a flat enough piece. So I guess what I will do is I will wait until I get my other metal. That way I could, you know, I really don't have to cut out a whole square. I could actually use the corners of the metal, and I'll only have to cut that. So at least you got to see me cut that out. But once we get the metal in, we will burn it in. We'll see how good that is. You know, I do see a little bit of a sway in there, so you know, I'll mess with it. You know, we'll get it done. You know, we'll get it out. So all right, that's it for this door. Sorry, I thought for sure I was going to be able to use that, but that's too dented. I'll be popping dents out again. So and that's what I really don't want to do. I'd rather have something flat. So at least I've got something to mess around with, which I'll probably do. I'll probably mess around with this a little bit more. Start screwing around with my welder. But all right, guys. Zoom out, and that'll do it for this one. As soon as we get done with this one, I guess we could probably we'll probably vinegar water it, and we'll start doing some of the body work on it. Get that all set, get that knocked out of the way. I guess we could start messing around with the fender. I'll bring that left side fender. The other thing that I'll probably end up doing is I do want to make sure that I can get those fenders adjusted to the body, because those are not the original fenders. The original fenders were too far gone, and I think if you've watched some of my past videos, I did a patch panel on it on the other one, so I could actually save that one, but I need to do the body work on that as well to see how that goes. And that fender doesn't really fit very well after I welded it, so you know, hopefully we can get these fenders on there. So, well, hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know how long this one is. Hopefully it was actually pretty quick, so a lot of you guys stuck around. But if not, no worries. All right, guys, take it easy. Peace.